just one shortcut, Control P, quickly print any AutoCAD drawing that you are working on and make your life easier. So I open my tool palette with Control 3 on my keyboard, and I dragged anything to my tool palette. So I went to the properties and changed the use flyout to nope. And here is the fun part. Under command string, I created a custom macro shortcut string to, again, print my layout. I zoom extend into my drawing, so that way I don't have to manually do that. So I removed the P line, of course, because that's not what we need, but I left the CC to cancel any active command that I might be using. So after this, I use the underscore to let AutoCAD know that a command is coming, and I use the Z for zoom and the semicolon to represent an enter. So after the zoom command, of course, there is an option to use the E for extends, and that's what I did. So there's a command called plot already in AutoCAD, so I use that. But the problem with plot is that it will open a dialog box by using this special character, this hyphen, I believe it's called, or dashed also in front of the command plot, like so. Let me expand a bit so you can see better. And here it is. So again, we're using the plot. I'm specifying my printer over here as Epson. You will change that for your printer. The size, in this case, letter, because this printer only can print letter size. But of course, at work, I have my keyboard shortcut Control P to print at 12 by 18. So once I test this, I'm gonna click. You can see how it immediately send it to the to the printer. You can see it right there. Now CUI print. Go ahead and paste it under the macro section, like so. Now, in order to add it to a keyboard shortcut, we need to find our keyboard shortcuts option right over here under customizations. And all we gotta do is basically bring our new print command, click, drag it, and release it right there. Now, the location where you place this is very important, because if you place this all the way first at the beginning, the other assigned shortcuts will take precedent. So you always want to place this at the bottom, like so. Now, the next thing is you'll have access keys over here under the properties option. With your new command selected and highlighted, we can go ahead and type a shortcut here. For instance, in my case, I like it to be Control P for printing. Once I hit apply and clicked OK, the next time you want to print your AutoCAD drawing for review, you can just hit Control P on your keyboard, and here you have it. You will send your work to your printer. Just your eyes are tired of the computer, for so many hours, so you will miss things. So always a good idea to print your work.